welcome to Vlogmas day 2. I don't know how other people are deciding to do Vlogmas because I've seen some people already upload, so I'm like, are you supposed to record November 30th and start December 1st? Because I always thought you did December 1st and then upload on December 2nd and then up until Christmas. I don't know, whatever, that's the way we're gonna do it. But I just got to work. I'm actually late, so we're gonna go in here. I have to do some actual work, you know, and then I'll decorate the tree. We're actually putting up our big Christmas tree here at work too, so I'll probably record some of that. So yeah, let's go. All right, we have our tree. We're gonna put it over here in front of this little sign because they decorated the waiting room and we have no room out there. So I have my little helper. Hi. Helper, Christine. So yeah, hopefully it looks okay. I know, right? Why does it look dead? I guess because we need to like fluff it up.
Yeah. Give it some life. We're putting my tree up tonight.
Aww. You got presents to put under the tree yet?
Not a one.
It's okay, stop time. Alright. Well,
are you doing Christmas shopping already?
I have a couple of the kids' gifts.
Oh wow, look at you on time.
Barely. And that's only because I went to Costco's and I saw that they had some stuff on sale. Ooh. Yeah.
These people have given us $20,375.
Probably. Oh my. The tree on the camera is in shambles.
No, it looks better in person.
Like there's like a little chunk missing right there.
Oh no.
It probably just needs to be pushed down, yeah. Alright guys, this is our finished tree. It looks way better now that all the ornaments are on. And then we hung up our little stockings. So yeah, I haven't put up my little tree yet, so I'll do that sometime later. Alright, so it's about lunchtime now. It's 12:30 and I'm going to get some food. We did finish decorating the Christmas tree like you guys saw. So that's up, and put up our stockings, which I think I recorded too. And I didn't get a chance to do my like little Christmas tree on my desk yet, only because I have to, you know, it's Monday, all the faxes come in, we have to make sure all the faxes are done, and there's like just a few things I want to catch up on before I start that. Because obviously decorating a tree isn't like on the top of the list. Well, decorating the big tree was on the top of the list, but like the little tree on my desk, like that can wait. I'll probably either do that later today or tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm just gonna drive down the road to get some food. We have like a lot of stuff across the street from our job. Like we're actually very fortunate in that sense, to where like there's literally everything across the street from our, you know, from our place of work. But the thing is like we've tried everything over there, so we're so tired of everything across the street. I'm tired of Chick-fil-A. I never thought I would get tired of Chick-fil-A, but I'm tired of Chick-fil-A. I'm like, I can't eat any more Chick-fil-A. And we have like Panera. I'm tired of Panera. I'm tired of McAllister's. I'm tired of Chili's. Like, it's just, there's so much over there, but we've had it all, you know. So I'm gonna drive a little further down, and then I'll probably go back and do some more work, and then I'm trying to leave a little early because I do want to go to IKEA today to look for some stuff for my room. I need like some kind of like bookshelf or something for my craft supplies. I did have shelves before, but I ended up breaking one of them while I was moving the rooms around. So I need a new shelf. And actually the other shelf that I have it's kind of like, it's on the verge of death. So I probably just need to get brand new ones of both of them. So I'm gonna try and go to IKEA today. So if I end up going to IKEA, definitely take you guys along. And then if I finish, or if I end up doing the tree, you know, I'll obviously show you guys too. But yeah, that's it. Nothing super exciting going on. Ugh. We made it to IKEA. I was trying to show you guys the sky, but it's IKEA's blocking it, but it looks really pretty. I love how they have their Christmas stuff up. Alright, so we're just looking around. I'm having a hard time vlogging because they keep playing Christmas music and I don't want to get copyrighted. But I think I may get some bookshelves, I don't know yet. And I looked at like the desks, but again, I don't know yet. Alright, we just left IKEA. We ended up not buying anything. The thing we came to buy was gonna be too big for it to fit in my car. So we're gonna have to come back with a different cart and hope that it fits. So yeah, so the thing that we came for is too big to fit in my car. And then I also wanted to get some bookshelves, but I think that might have been too big for my car too. So we're just gonna come back with a different car and hope that it fits. Right now, all the stuff that we want is on sale because they're having like Black Friday prices from now until December 8th. So we have to come back again this week, which kind of sucks because IKEA be giving me a headache. But I also haven't ate dinner. So we're gonna go get some dinner because I'm hangry. And yeah, that's pretty much all that's gonna happen for the rest of the night. So there's actually this Mexican restaurant. I don't know if you guys can see the sign. We go to the one in Matthews a lot, but we haven't been to this one. So we're gonna go in here, try it out, see what it's about. I think this one's a lot more like fancier than the one that we usually go to, so we'll see.